Hi guys, welcome back to MadMods PC Modding. It's your boy Mikey, and today we're going to talk about the Commander C35 from Thermaltake, as well as some stuff that's going to happen in the next few days about this YouTube channel. First off, thank you Sterile Clothing for this shirt. It's one of their latest designs. It's the Scavenger. And if you want to check out their products, you can check out. Did I say check out twice? Anyway, visit their page on Facebook. I'll post a link in the description of the video, and I'm trying to avoid saying check out. You can see their latest designs. They're fairly good with pricing, and the quality of the shirts are really good. So yeah, do check them out. Alright, moving on. Commander C35, it's a mid-tower case from Thermaltake. I used it in a recent build. I completed that last week. So it's based on the stealth suit from Spider-Man Far From Home, and it was in partnership with Philips Monitors Philippines, Thermaltake, Team Force, and MSI Philippines. Now, Philips Monitors used it as a showcase PC in the movie launch here in the Philippines. So yeah, if you're one of their media partners, you'll get to see that. For me, I made a video and uploaded it last week. I'll post a link in the description so you can also see how it ended up. Now, going back to the C35 overview, well, I did this very quick video explaining the features that I found upon opening it or upon taking it out of the box. So here's that one. Alright, so for this project, we're going to use Commander C35 from Thermaltake. Now, as you can see, one side of it is made out of tempered glass. Now the front is made out of mesh, so that's good for airflow. And then it's easily removable, so the wires of the top I/O isn't connected to the front panel or the faceplate. Alright, so with the front panel removed, you'll get a couple of 200mm RGB fans. And you can see some LEDs in there at the back, and yes, those will light up. Now up here is your I/O. You got an RGB controller, a couple of USB 3.0s, headset, mic jack, activity LED reset, and power buttons. Got this magnetic dust filter pre-installed here. Go. So you can mount 140 or 120 mil fans up here, 3 of them, and a 240 or a 360 mil radiator. So that's the motherboard tray. Pretty sure it can hold an ATX motherboard, MATX, ITX. Another fan back here. This is just a regular one. It's not gonna light up. You got this bag that contains the cables for the RGB fans, the power supply bracket, and some screws, standoffs, and yeah, the screws, zip ties, whatever it is that you're gonna need. And there's a SATA power. I think this is for your controller, RGB controller. And there's a huge cutout right here. I like this because if this was like narrow, then you're gonna have troubles mounting a radiator on the front. Now this front part right here, you can put a 360 mil radiator. Slim ones are better. There's this bracket inside. I think this holds a pump because this case is intended for water cooling given its like mid-tower size. Now this is the built-in power supply cover. It has ventilation holes, and it has this cutout so you can show off your power supply. Also, there's a bracket for mounting your GPU vertically or your video card. But this doesn't come with a PCIe riser, so you have to pick one up on your own. Now I don't see a hard drive cage, so that means that these holes will be your mounting option for SSDs and hard drives. I like how this one is like wider than this, because that means you can dump cables back there, and I'm pretty sure you'll have ample space for cable management on this case. And there you have it. I think that's it. Alright, and that is a quick look at the Commander C35. I like how its size is. It's mid-tower, but there's no problems doing custom water cooling with it. Though I didn't do it, but I know that it can be easily water cooled. A couple of 360mm radiators, a D5 pump, water cooled CPU, and video card, no problem. And that's what I like about it. And if you're in the market for a case that's not gonna take all the space of your desk and the whole room in general, do check out the Commander C35. Now, going to the other stuff that's going to happen, I will have a collaboration with Erica Lupet, or you might know her as Kang. She's a cosplayer here in the Philippines, as well as an influencer. And then, what else? She does a lot, like hosting, unboxing videos. She does a lot. She really does. She's everywhere. So we'll have a collaboration in how to start PC case modding, water cooling without breaking the bank. Well, water cooling is going to break the bank, I know. But yeah, the easiest way to get into water cooling and case modding using tools that can be easily accessed, like bookstore stuff, and you'll see that in the future. Also, I will have this video on how I'm setting up this place, because this area right here, like this whole area, is a new spot for me. The original workshop is right behind that wall. You can't see that right now, but it's there. So it's all cramped up and stuff, and people go here, like clients and some visitors. Well, it's a shame every time they walk in there. It's all cramped up, it's messed up, everything is boxes, paint, it smells like paint most of the time. And yeah, it's kind of hard to move back there. That's why I took this whole space, so I can extend the mod shop. So this is like the mini studio. This is where I'll be shooting the videos from here on out, as well as set up another PC right there, which yes, I will make a video of. Gaming chair, table. Gaming chair is already here. It's from Thermaltake TTE Sports. Very good chair. It's huge, very comfy. But yeah, monitor as well will be coming from Aegon, AOC Aegon monitors, Philippines. And then what else? Yeah, I'll show everything in the video, like the build, the PC as well, because I'll be using that for video editing and some gaming. I think that's all. That's everything that I need to tell you guys for now. And if you like what I do here in this channel, you can consider subscribing, because that helps me a lot. Now, thank you very much for sticking by. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.